Phoebe and Quinn? Which one's your best friend? Quinn? Ginger? Phoebe?
I'm not sure.
She's got a lot of friends, but
Could you just try?
I don't think she knows her best friend.
Well, it's nice to have a lot of good friends. Sometimes it's not good to have one best one. You can have all of our good friends that way. And you don't play favorites, and then they don't get upset because they don't feel like they're your best friend that way. You know what I mean? Then you can just kind of have all of them as your best friends. It's the smart way to do it.
Look at how fast we're going.
That bird's going to get smashed if you don't move.
Are you videotaping, Connor? Are you videotaping it? Alright.
This thing's pretty fast, huh?
Please hold on. We are approaching Westfield Road.
Please hold on.
Please make sure you have all of your personal belongings and watch your step as you exit. For passengers with carts and luggage, please use elevators located at
Are we
either
going back
end
to your
of the
house? Is that where this is
platform.
taking us? Going back to your house?
I don't think so.
No?
Not sure.
Sure is going a long
Westfield
ways.
Road.
Highland Road, Highland Avenue. Is it Highland Avenue or Highland Road?
Westfield, I think.
But there's a Highland, I saw a Highland that I turned on, that the deli was on.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
that's
yeah.
the
Oh,
main
yeah.
road.
Highland Road or Highland Avenue?
It's Highland Avenue, I think.
Please hold on.
I think, right?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that was good timing.
Oh, it's
He's
great
all, what
timing.
kind of sandwich you want? I said, are you in the sandwich shop on Highland Road, over by the park?
The next stop
Yeah.
is the rental car
He
center.
said, well, I'm coming in right
Please
now.
refer to the display above the door for the name All Airport Rental Car Companies. All Airport Rental Car
That
Companies.
sure is a lot of cement, huh?
Well, then Connor comes up and he's like,
Located at the
I'm like, okay, talk to Paul. He goes, yeah, he's on this. He's going to be in a minute. And I was ordering things. I'm like, okay, well,
California.
what do you say you wanted? Oh, I think like pastrami.
Unless it is specific.
That's what you normally get like Subway or something like that, so I just...
Yeah, but on the phone I told her.
Yeah, I know, I couldn't exactly remember for sure.
Each of their rental car companies.
Oh, do we have to change? I thought we did
That's
change.
a front. Let's go, yeah.
Oh, to the front. You guys were
But I
going to
got
go to the
most-
front. Remember, we have to change to the front?
Please hold on. We are approaching
We're gonna go to the front of the train now.
Center.
We are at the
Please
front.
make sure
Well,
you have
it
all of
doesn't
your
turn
personal
around.
belongings and
Stop
watch your
standing,
step
goes
as you
again.
exit. For
Oh, we can't
passengers with
sit
carts
here?
and luggage,
Well, no,
please
because you
use
should be in the
elevators
front, you'd be in the
located
back.
at either end of the
can't sit in the back.
platform.
Stop, Paul.
It's like,
All right, grab your stuff.
Rental car
Come on, Connor.
center.
We're going to go.
Please exit.
Whoa.